Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. If you like artichoke dip, we've got a dish for you. It's called Artichoke Chicken. Stay tuned. The ingredients for artichoke chicken are 2 cans artichoke hearts, 1.5 cups of Duke's mayonnaise, 1.5 cups Parmesan cheese, 1 pack of boneless chicken thighs, about 2 pounds. Okay, first thing we're going to do is cut up the artichokes. Next, we'll add 1.5 cups of grated Parmesan cheese. Next, we'll add 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. Now we'll add a little bit of garlic powder. Just a few shakes. We'll give that a good mix. Now we double our topping because we like to spoon it over our rice and mix it in with that as well. If you don't want to do that, you can cut the ingredients for the topping in half. All right, we're going to trim the fat off our chicken thighs. Leave a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. Now we're going to put our chicken in the baking dish. Season the chicken with just a little bit of garlic and herb and pepper. Ground black pepper. Okay, we're going to spoon the topping over the chicken. We're going to serve rice with this dish, so while we're doing that, let me ask you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We're a new channel and need your help to grow. Thank you. Let me know in the comments some dishes that you enjoy cooking for your family. Okay, it's been about 50 minutes. Let's grab a spoon and see how this looks. Perfect. Now let's plate this up. We'll put the rice down first. And then spoon the chicken right on top. And there you have it, artichoke chicken with white rice.